ఇదేం మన చిన్నగంజం బీచ్ ఉన్నట్టుంది.
రేపు మార్నింగ్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నుండి రిటర్న్ తీసుకోండి అని చెప్పండి.
అంతే. టీనో ఇంత వైట్ శాండ్ మనకు దొరకదు కదా. థ్యాంక్ యూ మై బ్రదర్.
The first one, second one. This one, okay.
Okay.
15 minutes is 15 minutes. Don't come in 20 minutes, 25 minutes because we are leaving on 15 minutes.
Okay.
Take a round, we can come.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. అన్నా ఎటు తడిచిపోయాను నేను.
అట్లా ఐలాండ్ ట్రిప్ బోట్లో వెళ్తాం అని తెలిసి కూడా మీరు షర్ట్లు ప్యాంట్ వేసుకొచ్చారని చెప్పి.
The island number 1. Hi. What is the name of this island?
The Teja Island.
Okay, the Tea Island. Okay, thank you. వీడియో గైడ్ మనకు వాళ్ళకేనా, మనకు చెప్పడా? మనం కూడా ఇస్తున్నాం డబ్బులు. పారాసైలింగ్ ఉంది, లాంగ్ రైడ్. English.
Go with this guy, he will explain you.
Okay.
15 minutes should be on the back over there.
Sure. Hi.
Guys, welcome to the South Island. Yeah, we'll show you where we are exactly. So we just arrived just right here next to the Teja.
Okay.
What time your driver say to you?
15 minutes.
So in 15 minutes, just go back. Okay, so later on, you will come back. Next week, we do have an island that's called Island Mauritius. Okay, it's the island next to us. So we will go later on for lunch. Do you have lunch on your package? Yes. So we will go for lunch later on this one. Okay. Then the South Island is very large. So back of the island, you can go to Sumo. So we have a beautiful view towards at the back.
Okay.
Be careful over there. We do have some sea urchin who come at shore. So just be careful when you go. Okay. But so once you want to swim over there, the left side, you have a swimming zone.
Okay.
So it's safe. Okay. There's no sea urchin, just clear water. Okay. Otherwise, you do have a bar and a restaurant also on the island. It'll be just on the left side. Okay. Want to drink a coffee or something else? You can.
Okay.
It will be on the left side. The most important place on the island will be the washroom. Okay. Back over there. And when you go to the next island, there's no more toilet and washroom.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any question, guys?
No. So we have to start from this side or this side?
Oh, you can start on this side.
Okay.
15 minutes.
Okay.
Go have a walk, see what's going on. Then Ilosaf Islands is a leisure islands. Leisure islands mean we do have activities.
Okay.
As you can see, we do have the tube ride here. You have two types of tube ride. This one is a family style. That's not falling down into water.
Okay.
We do have the speed, everything, but you don't fall down.
Okay.
Then the other one is called the flyer.
Okay.
The flyer is opposite, just
Okay.
okay. To fall down the water. We do have the parasailing also.
Undersea.
Undersea. So you go down the sea.
Okay.
And the fourth one is the snorkeling.
Okay, snorkeling.
That's the fourth activity we have on the sea.
Okay.
Otherwise, wish you a very good day. Enjoy. And see you later.
Thank you.
Just what are the prices for, like, for example, parasailing for 3? How
For
much?
parasailing, for 2 person is 3,000. Okay, it's for ride. It's a one ride.
Okay.
So if you want to go,
2 person.
2 person is 3,000.
But
If
for
you want-
3?
For 3 person, you pay 3,000. Then another ride 3,000. Or what you can do, you pay for 1 person for you two. Okay. Then see with the guy once they organize.
find someone.
Find someone. If they can organize, make a good price for you free.
Okay.
If they can make a good price for you free, make your booking, make your ticket, then later on, you sure you have time and everything, can do it.
Snorkeling
Okay.
and underwater
Underwater, 2,500 per person.
per person.
Per person.
Snorkeling?
And then for the snorkeling is 1,500.
1.5. Okay.
They provide you equipment, they provide you everything.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you. I will show surprise. Okay, when you come back later. Have a nice time.
ఇంకెళ్దాం అన్న ముందు వచ్చాము నాకు వస్తున్నాయి.
అదే వాడు చెప్పింది మోస్ట్ ప్రీషియస్ సీడ్ అని. వాళ్ళని అడుగుదాం ఎందుకైనా మంచిది ఒక మాట. ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ, హలో హలో, విచ్ వే ఇస్ ద వాష్రూమ్? ఓ థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫస్ట్ టైం కాకులు చూసాయి ఇక్కడ. అవును, అటు పెట్టాడు. సరే ఇటైనా వెళ్ళొచ్చులే. ఓ ఇది రిసార్ట్ అన్నా? టైప్ ఏం కాదు, రిసార్ట్.
యాడ రూమ్లు ఆడున్నాయి అయ్యని ఇవేళ ఈ లోపల
ఓకే, బా 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 బా.
టాయిలెట్స్ దిస్ వే ప్లీజ్.
ఇలాంటి టాయిలెట్కి వెళ్తానికి వచ్చినట్టుంది. Island 1. Me out when I lay and I was on to make me knows nobody knows. Wow. The tea island. Woohoo! Wow. Mauritius, ఎందుకు వచ్చావు? ఇసుకమ్ము కొట్టడానికి వచ్చాము. బాగుందలే.
అంటే హైలైట్ అంతా అహెడ్ ఆఫ్ స్కెడ్యూల్ బిహైండ్ స్కెడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నాం అంతే కదా.
వెళ్ళిపోయాడా?
బాగుందా పై ఎందుకు బోట్లో ఫ్రీగా వస్తాయంట ఏమన్నా బార్లో ఫ్రీగా వస్తుంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంట.
Scenery.
Yeah, and I've shown said nothing.
Yeah.